All right, guys, this short video is to show you this software, perhaps some improvements that we could do, because I heard that the new release of this software is coming out soon. So what I'm looking at is this scene. I'm going to use this scene as a simulation just to explain what I'm thinking about. As you know, we move from view to view. Most of the time we like to see this entire view, but problem is we have to change it in order to deal with these controls over here. And what I'm thinking of is to have these controls, or most of them, be placed right here. And those can be variables that we users can program around. Maybe 3 push buttons for start, stop, and reset. And perhaps 2 areas for messages here. I went ahead and did this presentation, and this is what I'm talking about. As you see, if we have the application is running, we are able to press button here without changing the actual view, which is pretty good when you are explaining this to students or to customers, to be able to see the entire factory and the machine moving. And at this area here, without us touching anything, we can just go ahead and view the countdown, maybe the parts per minute, the total parts already made. This could be perhaps Modbus TCP addresses that are available for the user. Maybe 3 numbers, 3 areas, 3 registers for us to put numbers on, and maybe 2 buttons. And this one over here is very important because Factory I/O allows you to change the sensors and proximity, maybe create failure on the spot, and those failure could be reported as we are running the application. We can send the messages of those failures right to this variable over here. So think about it. Let's see if this improvement could come out in your next release, because we do have a huge area over here that we might be able to use. All right, let's consider that. Thank you very much. Bye.